Well, it's another windy morning here at Overdevest. On our wide open site, it tends to be windy here, and I suppose in a way that helps us to produce extra tough and hardy and reliable plants. Now, amongst all the things that we grow a lot of really beautiful roses, and this is one of the first ones to flower this year. It's part of the Kolorscape series, raised in Germany by the world famous rose firm of Cordis. Now, this particular variety is one called Lemon Fizz, and when I tell you that this is a beautiful bright lemon yellow variety that doesn't fade, that's important because a lot of yellow flowering roses do fade. Also, what's important to mention about this is that it's hardy and tough, and because it was bred in Germany and went through their testing and trialing scheme, it is particularly good. In fact, this one won an award in 2015 from the German Rose Association. It's called an ADR award. This only goes to roses that have gone through a 3-year testing and trialing process, where during that testing they don't use any chemicals, no sprays at all. So if they're going to get black spot, if they're going to get mildew, if they're going to get diseases, they're going to get them. And so they pick the varieties that test and trial, and this, I'm glad to tell you, was a winner in 2015. Therefore, it should be a variety that will do very good for you. It only grows about 3 to 4 foot high, carries these beautiful semi-double flowers with lots of flower buds coming on afterwards, and nice glossy dark green foliage. This is Rose Lemon Fizz, part of the Kolorscape roses from Cordis Roses in Germany.